These Air Force Ones are a premium. They're the Bird's Nest from February of 2008. One of the colorways, this is the Obsidian Varsity Red and White. Even though it's not a bright blue, it's the red, white, and blue for America. Premium always has quality materials. The Bird's Nest comes into play here. They were put together in a few colors. Found these. There was an all black one with sort of a blue sole, blue icy sole. There was a white one, kind of a tan one that I've seen. The Bird's Nest was meant to bring to mind the concept of the Beijing National that was built for the Olympics. The gold at the top of the tongue, gold medals. Nice colorway on these. The Obsidian really works well together, especially in that premium material. Great price. Never turn them down for that. Don't ask me what I paid. Don't tell people anymore. I just got them for a very good price. Can't repeat the process. And I don't want to get any of my friends pounded with, can you do it for me, or look what he's doing, and all those things. That developed, unfortunately, over some of my videos, which I ended up taking down. You too can chase the dream, find what you need, keep looking, digging, seeking that heat. You can find it. It's out there. There's no magic. It just takes work and effort. Make your connections, make your friends, help them out. They'll help you out. Bird's Nests in hand.